Oftentimes, we try to learn musicality by learning the instrumental musicality. This is too difficult for us when we're starting our dance journey. When we're starting our dance journey, we need to focus on the musical phases, the structure of bachata music. Bachata has 3 phases, and then in modern bachata, there's one phase that is always there. First is Derecho. Derecho is when the percussion is syncopated. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and this is the lowest energy of the song. Mahau is when the percussion is on core beats. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. This is the chorus, the medium energy of the song. And then there's Mambo, when the guitar is dominant. To musicians, Mambo is a specific time where they're doing like a structure in the music, a musical riff. But to dancers, Mambo is when the guitar is the most obvious and only choice. So we see more Mambos than musicians do. And in traditional bachata, it becomes a little bit harder to distinguish when the guitar is the one you want to choose. There is a Mambo percussion in traditional bachata, which we'll talk about another time. But for today, all that we started with was Derecho, Mahau, and Mambo. When you hear the percussion syncopated, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, that's a nice time to maybe do your traveling basics, your turns, your basic patterns that you want to do, moving around, because then the percussion is not dominant. It's usually the voice or some other part of the music. This is also a good time for more advanced dancers to do sensual movements within their dance. Mahau, when it's on core beats, we dance bachata. Hips, 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 because we're emphasizing the percussion there. Mambo, when the guitar is dominant, we dance the guitar. I don't want to say we do footwork. That's just one of the easy ways to dance the guitar, but there's many ways. As your level advances, you have more options. The options that we gave you guys, for Derecho, we did some traveling basics, like box, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, basic, maybe with a turn, 5. During Mahau, we did lateral basic, 1, 2, 3, because this emphasizes the hips, or break forward, 1, 2, 3. It doesn't travel. We don't want to travel during Mahau. We want to move our hips, move our bodies. During Mambo, we did cha-cha 1, cha-cha-cha, step, cha-cha-cha, or cha-cha 3. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha, 5, 6, cha-cha-cha. Practice these basic options, and when you go to dance in the social, few songs, just say, I'm just going to practice musicality. Get the phases. You'll see that it starts to work. A lot of pressure starts to melt away. You don't need more moves, because the moves are only for specific parts of the song. Sometimes you need to dance. Sometimes you need just to do the music, and then sometimes you need moves for the derecho. Okay, makes sense?